from your perspective, what was your presentation sort of trying to communicate?
What I was trying to do was give people sort of a repeatable model for developing actionable insights out of data, regardless of what function you have, what kind of industry you're in, or what size the data is. And the principles are true sort of across there about how you define what matters to a business, how you measure and optimize towards those things, and then how you build the capability of the business and the capacity of the business to actually be data-driven across the business.
What are some main challenges that you're encountering at your job?
I think one is, there's this ever-growing sort of, when it pertains to data, there's this ever-growing list of things you can measure, right? And people always want to measure the new thing and sort of do the new thing. The challenge is actually taking a step back and asking, do these things matter to the business, right, or to our organization? And it's often true that although something might be interesting, or it might be, sort of popular in the media right now, or it might be something that people are talking a lot about, doesn't necessarily mean it's the right metric to optimize toward for that organization. Oftentimes it turns out that the tried and true metrics, the tried and true KPIs, are much more useful for an organization to actually measure and optimize toward. So, for instance, you could think of, traditional brand metrics versus sort of social vanity metrics. Does it matter to a business if people are sharing what they're doing on social media? Or does it matter more that people are remembering the message that they're trying to say? Or does it matter more that people are actually more favorable to a brand after interacting with it? And so the social metrics are sort of proxies for the other metrics, but which means to me that the other metrics are more valuable to measure. So one of the key challenges is that ever-growing sort of ecosystem of metrics you could measure. How do you pull the ones out that actually matter?